So these machines do require oiling. Every 30 to 50 hours, give or take. It might be more, it might be less. It depends on your style and how hard you run your machines. But if you start to notice the machine running a little slower or feels a little labored or is running warm, then you need to oil. Or if you just want to keep track of, 50 hours, how long that takes, maybe once a week, once every couple of weeks, depending on your workload. So to oil it, take the grip off, remove the cam. We do provide oil. It comes in the bottom chamber of the box. And so what you're going to do is put a drop of oil into this hole in the center, and also you want a little bit of oil on these teeth. So just one drop into there, and I kind of just drag it around the outer edge here. And then you put it back in, reassemble, and you're complete.